I want to take a shower. Yeah, I want to take a shower every day. Yeah, I want to take a shower every day. Yeah, so I entered the shower room with my balls. Yeah, at the same time, I entered the shower room with my balls at the same time. So I take off t-shirts, trousers, pants. So present my balls. It looks like my balls the shower room before me. Just me? I enter the shower room with my balls at the same time. I take off t-shirts, trousers, pants. It looks like my balls the shower room before me arrive. Why? No. Just me. Just me. Okay. Okay, no worries. I have a next topic. I'm not that good. I'm not good sports. Yeah, I'm not good football. Yeah, especially I'm not good at juggling the ball. You know, what's it called? Keep it uppy, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not that good. Keep it uppy. I like strawberry. I only bought pack of strawberries at supermarket. Yeah. I heading home with pack of strawberries. You know what I mean? Okay. I heading with strawberry pack. In this situation, I feel like I can break juggling record. No? Somehow. Yeah. Like I feel it. Just me? I don't know. Just me? Okay, next topic. Okay. And okay, let me say, in this situation, I feel like I can break my juggling record. Just me? Okay, next topic. I want you to imagine, very serious topic, I want you to imagine, if you had 4 figures, chocolate donut figure, and Triceratops figure, and Tyrannosaurus Rex figure, and Pteranodon figure. Okay? Chocolate donuts and 3 dinosaurs. If you had 4 figures. Okay? Line them up. However you want in your imagination. Line them up. Chocolate donuts and 3 dinosaurs. Okay? Did you do it?
Yeah.
Did you do it? Isn't that chocolate donuts next to the Triceratops? Just me? No? No? Just me?
Yeah.
Not just me. If it's difference, I think not enough chocolate. Yeah. Absolutely chocolate donuts next to the Triceratops. Okay, next topic. I want to talk about yogurt. I like yogurt. Do you like yogurt?
Yeah.
I want to talk about delicious way to eat yogurt. I recommend putting banana. You know, I recommend banana. So, ships out banana flavor for yogurt. You know what I mean? Okay. logical. You know what I mean? Logical. It's logical. Okay? But you don't admit that logic exists inside you. You are tricking yourself. Maybe I think you are embarrassed of that logic. No? Just me? I feel it. Okay. Okay, last topic. Trust me, last topic. The other day, I was walking around the city with my friend, but at that time, I'm really tired. So I become poetic, you know. But my friend actually showed interest. Yeah. I think that's on me. That's on me. So, wear up power. I put myself together. Wear up power, wear up power, wear up power. This moment, don't the city lights feel like spreading out sideways? Just me? No. Sideways, and then abandoned bottle beer front store display. This moment, I heard off-key voice from someone's video call. Video call voice is absolutely off-key voice. This moment, I feel like my life is limited. Just me? Okay, not just me. Thank you very much.
Yay!